Hare Krishna. Welcome to Vedic Village. So, today we are going to discuss two verses from Bhagavad Gita. What Lord Krishna tells to Arjun when Arjun was completely bewildered on the battlefield of Kurukshetra. Arjun was literally crying on the battlefield. He was saying that I cannot do my duty. In that difficult situation, Lord Krishna says to Arjun, हतो वा प्राप्स्यसि स्वर्गं जित्वा वा भोक्ष्यसि महीम् तस्मात् उत्तिष्ठ कौन्तेय युद्धाय कृत निश्चय. Arjun, your duty as a Kshatriya is to fight. But you are sitting and crying? No, you should not do that. If you die, you go to heaven. And if you win the battle, you rule the world. That's why, Arjun. Tasmat uttishtha, stand up and fight. Be determined for the war. That is the message Lord Krishna is giving. Another verse Lord Krishna says that Sukh dukh samay kritva labh labho jaya jayo tato yuddhaya yujjasvam nevam papam avapshasi. Lord Krishna says that Arjun, stand up, fight, but fight for the sake of fighting. Be indifferent to happiness or distress. Whether I will be happy after fighting, whether I will be distressed after fighting. Be indifferent to victory or defeat. Whether I win this war, whether I lose this war. Be indifferent to gain or loss. Whether I will gain something or lose something, be indifferent to absolutely everything. Just fight for the sake of fighting. And in this way, you will never incur any sin. So Lord Krishna basically is asking Arjun to do his duty. And sometimes people have a lot of misconceptions about Bhagavad Gita. They say that Bhagavad Gita forces people to leave their work. Bhagavad Gita, is not for ordinary people. Bhagavad Gita is not for students. Bhagavad Gita is only for retired person. Arjun was not a retired person. अर्जुन रिटायर नहीं हो गए थे अपनी ड्यूटी से. भगवान उनको अपनी ड्यूटीज को छोड़ने के लिए नहीं बोल रहे हैं. कृष्णा इज आस्किंग अर्जुन टू डू हिज ड्यूटी विगरसली. दैट इज द एसेंशियल मैसेज ऑफ भगवद गीता वी saw today. If we apply these principles, if we apply this knowledge, this divine wisdom of Lord Krishna into our lives, we will definitely derive the same benefit what Arjuna derived. We hope that this Vedic village is helping you in your lives. If you feel enlightened, if you feel that this initiative has helped you, please like, share and subscribe and share it with others. This Vedic wisdom is the need of the hour, and we all have our own part to play in spreading this Vedic knowledge. We thank you very much for coming into the Vedic village. We wish all of you a very good health and prosperity. Hare Krishna.